It all started in '98, when I was 2 years old. Math was still legal then. My father was a renowned mathematician, and in '99 was consumed by the world's hardest math problem. The government assigned all the world's best math heads to the job, and by the time they came out of the lab, the math had changed them forever. Immediately after the incident, President Bilbo initiated a new law that banned all math from America, referred to as a mathematician prohibition. This law called for a new agency, the Derivative Enforcement Agency, the DEA, to make sure that the math is banned forever. Since its founding, it's been my dream to become an agent, and today, that dream has come true. I've got some good news, Pops. I finally made it into the DEA. I'm gonna make sure math never hurts anyone like it hurt you.
You still don't get it, do you? Math saved me.
The government is wrong. It's all wrong. One day you'll understand.
See this ball? Go stand over there. Ever wondered what its velocity is at t=2? If I chuck a ball at Connor and the ball's velocity is 40 feet per second, its distance after t seconds is s of t equals 70t minus 16t squared. So we want to know its velocity at t=2. To solve this, we need to know that the derivative of speed is velocity. So we find the derivative of our original equation, 70 minus 32t. And then we plug in 2 into our new equation to get 6 feet per second.
I'm sorry, sir. Visiting hours are over. Come on, Mr. Shweg. It's time for your class.
I'm not done with you! You can't escape from it. Math is in your blood.
Okay, Ricky. Let's not mess up on your first day. You'll never live it down.
I'm kind of nervous. What?
Nothing. You just remind me of my old partner.
Oh, did he get reassigned?
No, a math had tried to divide by 0 on one of our missions.
How'd you survive?
I made it to the hospital in time. I just don't want that happening to you.
Requesting any officers near the corner of West Book and Inner Grand. We have a minor algebraic issue in the area. Witnesses have reported a young female, presumably Asian, who has been seen holding a dry erase marker and a whiteboard. The suspect is armed with basic math knowledge and is presumed to be mildly dangerous.
Is that for us?
That's right. Saddle up, Ricky. It's just Pythagorean level. Don't worry.
I think that's our guy.
Listen.
Soda Can Company needs to make a cylindrical can that will hold 1.5 liters of soda. They need to find the dimensions that will minimize the amount of material used to make the can. The area is defined as A equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h, while the constraint is pi r squared h equals 1500. Solving the constraint for h makes it h equals 1500 divided by pi r squared. Substitute h into the area equation and you get a equals 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times 1500 divided by pi r squared. Now the derivative of a must be found by using a prime of r is equal to 4 pi r minus 3000 over r squared. Setting a prime of r equal to 0, you get a critical number, which would be r equals 6.2035 centimeters. Using this, you can find the height of the can by substituting r into the constraint, where you'll get 12.407 centimeters as the height.
You hear that? It's calculus.
Do you think she'll divide by 0?
No.
Should I call for backup?
You know, I came here thinking I would see some intermediate algebra, and I wouldn't let you off with a warning. But I come over here and I see calculus. Now that I can't let slide. I'm Officer Wolfman Coolkid of the DEA, and you're under arrest for public math conduct.
I'm sorry. I had to...
Get up, rookie!
Is this place a...
Yeah, a math lab.
I didn't think I'd ever see one. I thought they were all gone with the math purge of Y2K.
I think she went that way.
Jeez, look at all this math. My old man used to explain problems like these for hours.
The position of a ball at a time t is given by the equation x of t equals t cubed minus 11t squared plus 24t. Plug in t equals 5 to find the velocity at that time. Take the derivative of v of t to find a of t. Plug in t equals 5 to find the acceleration at that time.
This math can't be that bad. Maybe calculus can be good.
Hey, why are you still here? Are you doing math?
It's not bad. It can't be bad. I want to live to derive, and derive to live!
Shweg, I knew you didn't have it in you. You're a traitor. I'm gonna end this now. For your own good.
It's her. What did Dad say? What did Dad say? 5,512,000 x squared plus 2.
32 plus interval from 0 to 5 of x squared plus 2 plus 32x plus 5.
First thing you should do in a related rates problem is draw the picture. So in the picture right here, the radius is 50. Now we need to know that the area formula of a circle is a equals pi r squared, which is right there. They give us that the rate of change of r is dr dt equals 1/5. So now all we have to do is take the derivative of the area formula. So that's shown here. dA dt equals 2 pi r dr dt. So now we just need to plug in numbers. Okay, so dA dt equals 2 pi r, and they give us that r is 50 when at this time. And dr dt we know is 1/5. And the answer to that question is 62.83. It was just like Dad said. Math was in my blood, and my blood was in my math. That was the moment my life had changed. The DEA wasn't what I thought it was, and it wasn't where I belonged. I guess what Dad said was the opposite over hypotenuse, and it was a sign.
Look confused!
Go. Just go again.
Connor, it's very simple. Huh?
Wait, what is that? Should I throw it? It's like kind of.
Should I see it go wrong?
No.
Should I follow the gun?
Like drop it like this so it doesn't hurt. It hurts just as much. Okay. Okay, ready, Julie? It's gonna hurt. Oh.